Didn't really have a big mechanical background. It was supposed to just be a filler work, you know, during that time, but life took a turn, but kind of rolled with it, and it's turned into something that is even better than what I had imagined. My name is Jarett Juarez, and I am from the Oregon coast. Hold on, you can cut this part out. As a kid, my dad was a professional fishing guide, so I grew up around hunting and fishing and being in the ocean. When I was about 10, I started racing motocross. I don't remember what injury it was, but I had a bunch of staples in my arm here, and so I couldn't ride, but I had brought my dad's little point and shoot camera to the track with me. I ended up getting this one shot, and from that point forward, I was just obsessed with cameras and documenting everything. So it was early on in my life that I decided that that's what I wanted to do, and so I just went full force into trying to develop a business on my own, and at that point is when the bus came into my life. There's just a lot of different memories, a few trips with friends. This one here is from a trip to Bend, and we found this rope swing, and I think I flopped really bad on this one, but it looks cool. It didn't end up super well. If I had $1 for every hour that I've put into that stupid bus, I would probably not have to work again. So I knew nothing about Volkswagens when I first got into them, and I'm definitely a bit of an adrenaline junkie, and so I like to go fast. And you just can't do that in a Volkswagen bus. And so I ended up blowing up like 3 Volkswagen motors. Then I finally decided to learn how to build the motor. I had no idea what I was doing at the time and really what these skills were gonna mean to me. And then at that point, as COVID happened, that was the first time where I had kind of wondered where my next paycheck was gonna come from. I had people that had seen what I'd been doing with the Volkswagens that had asked me to do this or that on their buses, and so I kind of steered away from the path of photography and moved into this new realm of, you know, metal fabrication and restoration. But it's been cool because I can still be creative, where I'm able to take an old rig that's people would look at sitting in a field and they're like, whoa, that thing is gone, you know, take it to the wrecking yard. But I always had this vision for it, so it's fun now where I can come in and bring my vision to life. So it's cool to see that transition happen. I wouldn't change it. It's really what I feel like I really was put here to do, but I just never knew it. And it's just been fun to kind of see everything snowball into what it is, something I would have never had imagined myself being in a position, you know, 3 years ago, but life's funny like that.